Have just been thinking. This past month I have been able to save up to 1 million naira as I plan to keep up with savings since the beginning of the year. But my concern is, how do I utilize this money? It just laying dormant in the bank. Tilu, how can you help me? Colonel, I understand your concern so well. I am glad you already cultivate the habit of savings, which is why I have the perfect solution for you. What is the solution? I hope not partying this time around. I am tired of lavish spending. Not at all. Those days are gone. Now is the time to get serious with our lives, which is why I feel it's time to invest in our future. Invest in our future? How? What do you mean? Invest simply means to commit money or capital in the hope of financial gain. Which is why we will be investing in real estate, because that is the best way to secure our future and generate income. In simple terms, you can invest this 1 million in one of the strategic locations like Lagos or Ibadan, and in the next few months it will increase in value. At that time the land you invested in would be selling for 6 million already, and that is a massive ROI. You don't mean it? How do I start? Where do I do this? Well, I came across one of recent, which is Jairus Network, a real estate consultant, also an agent, tested and trusted, different from Momoana. He is so legit. With Jairus Network your investment is safe and secure. What are we waiting for? Let's start now instead of leaving the money dormant in the bank. And how can I get through to him? You can contact him on +234 708338 6121 to get started now.
Yori's Network. We rise by lifting others.